Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Melanie and I do daily and weekly food hauls as well as TK Maxx hauls, Argos hauls, B&M hauls, beauty box unboxings and other types of similar videos. If that's the type of video that you enjoy, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. So as you can probably tell, today's video is an unboxing video and it is the February edition of the Degustabox. So the first product is these Tootsie Roll Mitchs Chew A Few. I think I've had the big version of this and I wasn't that impressed, if I can remember correctly, because I tried a lot of American candy at one point and I don't think I liked these. So on the card it says, authentic American candy Tootsie Roll chews have been making the world sweeter since 1896. Enjoy this share bag of Tootsie Roll Midges with all the family and get transported to the US with a retro style treat. And it says these cost £2.50. The next item is the Dr. Cogs Emmental cheese and pumpkin seed with delicious Emmental cheese and crispy pumpkin seed organic crisp breads. On the card it says Dr. Cogs organic Emmental cheese and pumpkin seed crisp bread. Our organic delight with the whole grain natural fibre and no additives, a crispy and crunchy combination of an extra big helping of pumpkin seeds with aromatic nutty Emmental cheese. Find us in Waitrose, Tesco, Sainsbury's, Whole Food Markets and Planet Organic or your local independent deli, farm shop or health food store. So it says these are £2 full price. The next item is these indie based snacks, quinoa pretzel bites in cracked pepper. So on the card it says indie based snacks pretzel bites. A bit like pretzels but better. Indie based snacks have reinvented the classic with ingredients such as spelt and quinoa so they're crunchier, tastier and better for you. These baked little bites are a delicious source of fibre and protein and contain fewer than 100 calories per portion. There is also another flavour as well as these. I'm not sure if I like cracked pepper, but I'll still try them. Next item are these Emily Fruit Crisps in crunchy pineapple. I have actually in the past tried the apple ones and they were super delicious, so I'm looking forward to trying these. And these say, Emily Crisps, it's time to seriously up your crunch game with Emily Crisps. The range of premium fruit and vegetable crisps made only from the finest and freshest produce and now available across the whole of the UK. And there was 3 potential flavours. One was the apple one, which sadly I didn't get, and the other one was banana, and these are 99p a packet. The next item is 2 bags of the Haribo Fruitalicious. Haribo Fruitalicious, 2 packets. Fruitalicious is an exciting addition to Haribo's range. Bursting with fruit flavour, this treat contains 30% less sugar than regular fruit gum sweets and offers the same great taste loved and expected from Haribo. Fruitalicious features fruit-shaped smiley-faced pieces in strawberry, raspberry, pineapple, orange, apple and lemon flavours, and they're £1.29 a packet, and there's 2 packets which I'm very happy about. The next item is a Kit Kat Chunky in New York cheesecake flavour. An indulgent layer of creamy New York cheesecake combined with a crispy wafer and thick milk chocolate. And it says it's 65p for that. Again, 2 packets, and it's the Protein Ball Company Cherry and Almond. The Protein Ball Company Cherry and Almond, 2 packets. A sweet handful of raw pitted dates, free-range egg white protein, juicy sultanas and sour cherries. If you like cherry bakewell and want high protein, then these protein balls really are the cherry on the cake. The cherry on top of the cake. And they're £1.99 a packet. The next item, which I'm going to pull out, is a big box. Primroses Kitchen, living in line with nature, raw beetroot and ginger muesli, vegan and cruelty free. Product of the month, Primroses Kitchen raw beetroot and ginger muesli. A vital and delicious combination of fresh English beetroot, zingy ginger, British gluten-free oats and virgin coconut oil, balanced with a combination of nuts, seeds and extra love in the form of psyllium husk and chia. Our muesli is handmade and slowly dehydrated at low temperatures to preserve nutrients and flavour, and this box costs $4.99. And the final item is True Nopal Cactus Water, 100% natural hydration, low in sugars, refreshing fruit taste. True Nopal Cactus Water. Ever tried cactus water? If not, well, now's your chance. Don't just survive, thrive this winter with a true Nopal cactus water. Inspired by the desert and made from the prickly pear that grows on the Nopal cactus. True Nopal cactus water provides 100% natural hydration with no added sugar. Not to mention it also has half the calories of coconut water. True Nopal has a clean, crisp, refreshing and light taste with berry undertones and an ideal alternative to water and sugary drinks. It contains no sweeteners, preservatives, sodium, fat, and is even suitable for vegans and is gluten-free. What's not to like? And that is £3.49. So that is absolutely everything in the Degustabox for February. I'm looking forward to trying the muesli, the Emily crisps, the Haribo and the cactus water. I think I've tried the protein bowl company's protein bowls before and I don't know if I like them or not, I can't remember, but I will obviously be trying these now. It's another good box from Degustabox. If you have any questions, please leave them down below, and if you want any more information on these products, please check out my blog, because in about a week's time there will be the matching blog post up to go with this as well, so there will be more information. My blog is always linked in the description box, and I'll be back next month with another Degustabox unboxing. Thank you for watching everyone, bye!